Welcome to the Frugal Studio, your one-stop place for silly ideas that really work. Have you ever sat there holding a dryer to dry a wet wash? Boring, and I'm old and my arm gets tired. So I got a better idea. What I need is a holder for my dryer. Now, I did a quick study of these things, or at least searched them out on your favorite place, Amazon, and it came to somewhere between $40 and $100. This is definitely not frugal. I once heard that the hardest thing a cartoonist had to do was to convince his wife while he was just sitting there thinking. Anyway, I was looking at this lampshade and thought, what a great place. I could just set the hairdryer in the lampshade and put it over the thing or the painting that's still wet, and then I wouldn't have to hold it. Great idea. I once heard that experience was what you learned from making huge mistakes. So I looked at the fabric, thought heat plus fabric equals fire. Not a good idea. So, with a pair of scissors and a knife, I hacked away. Actually, the cloth came off very easily. So now I've got a hands-free hairdryer. This works really well. I can move the thing around. If thing doesn't dry too well in one spot, I can move it to another. But this is really good. It's light, and it works like a charm. Anyway, have a great day, and keep on painting, and of course, keep on drawing. Many thanks for watching the video. By all means, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I would look forward to comments, and for sure, hit the bell to get notification of new coming videos. You have a great day. Keep on sketching and keep on drawing.